Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome to day 3 of our sneak peeks for our April releases. I have the last stamp set in the box of the month for April. This one is called Succa for Plants. We've got some really cute succulent arrangements and cactus. We've got some great sentiments. Be patient through the dry spells. Stay sharp. Plantaholic. I'm a sucker for plants, and cactus makes perfect. There's also a little heart in the set that would be really cute stamped on the pots. I'm going to stamp these out and color some images for you today. I also wanted to remind you of our subscription promotion for this year. So when you are subscribed for 6 months to the box of the month, you're going to get this great Happy Donuts 6x6 paper pad. It comes with sentiments and images, so you can create your own ephemera. This paper pad is only available through special promotion or giveaway. So once you reach 6 months, you will get that in your box. It also does include the junior box of the month. Here's a look at the donut images that you can get in this paper pad. And here are the sentiments that you get that you can cut out. We've got let's eat donuts, I love you more than donuts, all you need is love and donuts, all you need is love and donuts in a different font, I love donuts, donuts are kind of my thing, I'm just a girl who loves donuts, and doing this all for the donuts. Just some fun sentiments for you to use when you make some cards with this paper pad. When you are subscribed to the Paper Pad Club and the Stamp and Die of the Month Club or the Stamp of the Month Club for 6 months, you do earn a free pack of enamel dots. So those will be mailed in your package once you reach 6 months of being subscribed. So those promotions started this year, January. So that completes both cards. They turned out really pretty. I love the simplicity of it with the pop of the pattern paper. Remember when I said our enamel dots are like magic? The color of spring enamel dots match really nicely with this paper pad. So here's a closer look at the cards. I hope you enjoyed. Meet me back on the 1st at 10 a.m. Central Time for a release day party. I'll be live on YouTube. Come join me, hang out with me. Can't wait to see you there. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.